Three-point Testcross is a genetic technique used to map the relative positions of three genes on a chromosome. It's particularly useful when you're dealing with genes that are linked, meaning they're located close together on the same chromosome. How does it work? Well, first, a homozygous recessive individual is crossed with an individual heterozygous for three traits. This produces a progeny population where all individuals are heterozygous for the three traits. Then, the heterozygous F1 individuals are crossed with homozygous recessive individuals. This allows us to directly observe the genotypes of the gametes produced by the heterozygous parent. The resulting phenotypes of the offspring are analyzed to determine the recombination frequencies between the genes. Recombination occurs when genetic material is exchanged between homologous chromosomes during meiosis. The closer two genes are on a chromosome, the less likely they are to be separated by recombination. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have three genes, A, B, and C. We want to determine their order on the chromosome and the distances between them. The parental genotypes are ABCC crossed with ABBCC. This gives us F1 genotypes of AABCC. For the Testcross, we have ABBCC crossed with ABCC. By analyzing the phenotypes of the offspring, we can determine the recombination frequencies between A and B, B and C, and A and C. These frequencies can then be used to create a genetic map showing the relative positions of the genes. Benefits of three-point Testcross. It provides more precise information about gene distances compared to two-point Testcrosses. It helps establish the correct order of genes on a chromosome, and it allows for the calculation of recombination frequencies between genes. In summary, three-point Testcross is a valuable tool in genetic analysis, providing insights into gene linkage and chromosome mapping. By understanding the principles and applications of this technique, researchers can gain a better understanding of the genetic basis of traits and diseases.